Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Intercom SDK for mobile support chat, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to your project's root directory.
Open your terminal or command prompt. If you're using React Native, you can install the Intercom SDK with npm.
Type the following command, npm install save intercom client.
For iOS users, navigate to your iOS directory.
Run the command pod install to integrate the SDK.
Next, return to your project's root.
If you're using Android, open the android/app/build.gradle file. Add the following line to the dependencies section, implementation io.intercom.android intercom SDK 10.0 plus. After this, open your main application.java file. Import the intercom package by adding this line at the top, import io.intercom.android. Then, add new intercom in the list of packages inside the getPackages method.
Next, you'll need to initialize intercom with your app's credentials. Open your application's entry point, usually called index.js or app.js. Add the initialization code with your intercom app ID and API key. For iOS, you'll find these values in your intercom dashboard. For Android, open androidmanifest.xml. Add your intercom app ID and API key within the application tag. Now, you need to set up user identification. To identify users, call intercom.client.registerIdentifiedUser with the user's information. For guest users, use intercom.client.registerUnidentifiedUser.
After setup, you can implement the intercom chat widget in your app. Add the intercom component to the desired screen.
Render it as you would any other component in your JSX.
To customize the chat experience, check the documentation in the Intercom Developer Portal.
Test the integration by running your app in a simulator or on a real device. Open the chat and ensure everything functions as expected. If you encounter issues, revisit your initialization and credentials.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.